Bata!
Kumusta mo? Ako si Kier, taga Cebu. Nagpuyo ko sa Talisay City. Kung wala ko'y ginabuhat, magkuyo ko sa akong mga barkada ug magsuroy-suroy mi. Ganahan pud ko mutanaw og sine. Usahay, muadto pud mi og beach. Nindot kaayo sa beach.
Kumusta mong tanan? Ako si Mitch, taga Cebu. Nagpuyo pud ko sa Talisay City. Nagkatrabaho sa Pagila Studios, isip sa ka-host. Kung wala ko'y ginabuhat, ganahan ko magsuroy-suroy kuyog akong mga barkada. Ganahan pud ko mutanaw og sine. Usahay, mag-video kay pud ko. Nindot kay mag-video kay.
Okay, I'm sure you all remember that, right? And now we're going to proceed to this new episode of V Avenue. Good Moment World, Volume 1, Episode 6, Mga Buhat. It means activities.
Ganahan pud ko mutanaw og sine. Usahay, mag-video kay pud ko. Nindot kay mag-video kay. Ganahan pud ko mutanaw og sine. Usahay, mag-video kay pud ko. Nindot kay mag-video kay.
Ganahan pud ko mutanaw og sine.
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 Ganahan pud ko mutanaw og sine. You've heard Kier and Mitch say this many times. And as far as I know, I think you guys remember this. So here's a tip. In Visayan language, you can say ganahan pud silang Kier ug Mitch mutanaw og sine. And you can also say ganahan pud mutanaw og sine silang Kier ug Mitch. Both ways are okay. Remember.
Nakasabot mo?
Dalira kayo no.
Padayon ta? Sige, padayon ta.
Usahay, mag-video kay pud ko. Nindot kay mag-video kay. Usahay, mag-video kay pud ko. Nindot kay mag-video kay. Usahay, mag-video kay pud ko. Nindot kay mag-video kay.
Usahay, mag-video kay pud ko. Nindot kay mag-video kay. Now here, it's a little bit same with what Kier said in the previous episodes. But if you noticed, there's mag-videoke here. It means to videoke. This is mixed with English. Take a look at this one.
Usahay, muadto pud mi og beach. Nindot kaayo sa beach.
Usahay, mag-video kay pud ko. Nindot kay mag-video kay.
Usahay, muadto pud mi og beach. Nindot kaayo sa beach.
Usahay, mag-video kay pud ko. Nindot kay mag-video kay.
Usahay, mag-videoke pud ko. Nindot kay mag-videoke. If you notice, this is English, this word videoke. And in Visayan language, it's kind of like mixed with English in the daily situation. So you have mag-videoke. It means to go to a videoke, to sing. Then you have mag-shopping. It means to go shopping. Mag-celebrate means it means to celebrate. Mag-concert means to have a concert. Mag-party means to have a party, to hold a party. Mag-focus means to focus. Mag-deliver means to deliver. Mag-send means to send. Then you have mag-text means to send a text message.
Nakasabot mo?
Dalira kayo no.
Uy, mag-video kaya sila karong weekend. Kuyog ka? This means, hey, they're gonna go for some videoke this weekend. Are you gonna go? Like kuyog ka? Kuyog ka means, are you going? So don't forget this one. This is a very, very common expression in Visayan language. When you say uy, it means hey. Then mag-videoke baya sila karong weekend. They're gonna go have some videoke this weekend.
Nakasabot mo?
Dalira kayo no.
So let's have shopping. Mag-shopping. We're going to use expressions here instead of word-by-word translation because I think it's good for you. So we have here, mag-shopping rabako sa Ayala karong Sunday. Kuyog akong family ug silang Kier ug Mitch. Mukuyog ka? You understand that? Mag-shopping rabako sa Ayala karong Sunday. Kuyog akong family ug silang Kier ug Mitch. Mukuyog ka? So mag-shopping means to go shopping. Rabako sa Ayala karong Sunday. When you say this expression rabako sa Ayala karong Sunday, this rabako, like, oh, by the way, it's like saying, oh, by the way, I'm gonna go shopping at Ayala this Sunday. Ayala is a famous mall here in the Philippines. And karong Sunday, Take a look. Karong Sunday. When you say Karong Sunday, this is actually mixed with English because you have Sunday here. Karong means this, or this week's. So when you say Karong Sunday, Karong Saturday, Karong Monday, Karong Tuesday, Karong Wednesday, Karong Thursday, Karong Friday, it means this Sunday, this Monday, this Tuesday, this Wednesday, this Thursday, this Friday. Got that? Kuyog akong family. Okay, kuyog akong family. See, it's mixed with another English word there. It happens all the time in Visayan language. So kuyog means together with, along with. When you say akong, it's a possessive form, like my. So akong family means my family. And remember ug? Ug means and. Silang, Kier, ug Mitch. Silang because you have two persons there, Kier and Mitch. Mukuyog ka? This is a very common expression. It means, are you gonna go with us? Do you wanna go? Do you wanna go with us? So mukuyog ka? Like for when you say mag-beach rabami. Mag-beach rabami. Mukuyog ka? So it means like we're gonna go to the beach. Do you want to go with us? Do you want to go along with it? It's like that. So don't forget it. Mag-shopping rab ako sa Ayala karong Sunday. Kuyog akong family ug silang Kirk Mitch. Kuyog ka? Okay, I think you got that one. You can just go back and listen to it again if you want to do some sort of like review or something. Okay.
Nakasabot mo?
Dali ra kayo no.
Now let's proceed to the next one. We have here mag-celebrate. It means to celebrate. So again, we're gonna use sentences instead of using just a word, instead of like word by word translation. So ingon si Mitch. Ingon si Mitch gusto niya mag-celebrate sa iyang birthday sa Bantayan Island kay kuyog silang Kier, Chris ug Jacqueline. Now this is a very, very, very important expression. Most of the time when Visayan people tell a story like something like this one, it's like in English. They say, "Oh, she said, he said, he told me, he told you, they told us." So you have the word ingon. You have it here, ingon si Mitch. When you say ingon si Mitch, it means Mitch said or Mitch told me. So ingon si Mitch gusto niya mag-celebrate. Gusto is another word for ganahan. It means want to or like to. So niya, we'll discuss that in another episode, okay? It means she. It's Mitch. So when you say ingon si Mitch gusto niya mag-celebrate sa iyang birthday sa Bantayan Island, kuyog silang Kier, Chris ug Jacqueline, it means Mitch said she wants to celebrate her birthday in Bantayan Island with Kier, Chris, and Jacqueline. So take a look. You have all the time. Ingon si Mitch gusto niya mag-celebrate sa iyang birthday. Iyang birthday, it means her birthday or his birthday. Remember in Visayan language, when you say siya, it's already he and she. So iyang birthday, it already means his birthday or her birthday. I'm sorry. So it's unisex. Sa Bantayan Island. Bantayan Island is a popular, it's a very beautiful island here in the Visayas region. So Bantayan Island, kuyog, you all know that, silang Kier, Chris, ug Jacqueline. Okay? Try to get the heart of this way of speaking in Visayan. You have to get the heart of the language. The most important thing is getting the heart of the language and being the language itself. It's not about like translating word by word. It's not about that because some things are different. Some things are said differently in different languages. So take a look at this one. So I'm sure you got that. So padayon ta. Sige, padayon ta.
Nakasabot mo?
Dali ra kayo no.
So there we go. The next one is mag-concert. Of course, you know this. It means to have a concert. So, uy, gibalita sa TV ba? Mag-concert daw si Lady Gaga sa Manila. Nganong dili man sa Cebu? So this is a very funny and another common expression, and most Visayan like to talk this way. When you say uy, it's like hey or yo. Uy, gibalita sa TV ba? Mag-concert daw si Lady Gaga sa Manila. Nganong dili man sa Cebu? So it's like, hey, saw the news on TV that Lady Gaga's gonna have a concert in Manila. Why not in Cebu? So, uy, it's like saying hey or yo or hey. Gibalita sa TV ba? Gibalita means like it was said in the news. Sa TV, you know that sa is always followed by a location or a place. So sa TV or on TV, ba. What is ba? It's like when you put ba in this sentence, it's like saying, hey, you know what? Something like that. Like, hey, you know what? I saw this. I saw the news on TV. So when it's spoken in this manner, so uy, gibalita sa TV ba? I'll say it slowly. Listen carefully. Uy, gibalita sa TV ba? But of course, you have to get used to with the normal speed. So this is how it is spoken. So, uy, gibalita sa TV ba? Uy, gibalita sa TV ba? Mag-concert daw si Lady Gaga sa Manila. So, mag-concert means to have a concert. Daw. When you say daw, it's you're not saying it directly. You're not saying that you're saying it. You're saying that another person, or you got this information from another person. And since it's from the TV news, so it's like you're saying daw here because according to the news on TV that I saw. So that's actually what is being said here. When you put daw, take a look at that. The daw. Mag-concert daw si Lady Gaga sa Manila. So Lady Gaga's gonna have a concert in Manila, according to the news I saw on TV. And nganong dili man sa Cebu? Nganong. Okay, please don't forget this because you're learning sentences now on the spot. I believe that your learning is quite faster than learning Visayan, like word by word translations, right? Okay, so nganong means why. Dili means not. Remember? Man, just you can ignore that for now, but it's like actually it's like but why not in Cebu if there's man? And sa Cebu, remember, sa Manila, sa Cebu, sa New York, sa New Jersey, sa Europe, sa Australia, it's like in. Okay, so nganong dili man sa Cebu? When you say nganong dili man sa Cebu, it's like saying, but why not in Cebu? Because there is the man. But nganong dili man sa Cebu? I'll say it slowly. Listen carefully. Nganong dili man sa Cebu? Nganong dili man sa Cebu? Nganong dili man sa Cebu? But when this is when people say this normally, it's like nganong dili man sa Cebu? Listen to that. It's very important for your ears to get accustomed to this sound. Okay? Nganong dili man sa Cebu? Okay, so it goes like this. Uy, gibalita sa TV ba? Mag-concert daw sa Lady Gaga sa Manila. Nganong dili man sa Cebu? Again? Okay. Uy, gibalita sa TV ba? Mag-concert daw sa Lady Gaga sa Manila. Nganong dili man sa Cebu? Okay, so I think you got that.
Lingaw ka ayusan?
Lingaw kayo, nakasabot man mo no.
Basta practice lang jud mo. Ang importante ani kay magsige lang jud tagpadayon og practice ug maminaw mo sa mga ubang tao nga magstorya og binisaya.
Aron makuha ra sa iyong utok ang impormasyon ug maanad mo og paminaw sa mga tawo nga nagistorya og binisaya.
Magkita-kita ta balik ari lang sa V Avenue. Magbinisaya ta.
For more information, you may like us on Facebook. Just simply go to facebook.com/V Visayan Avenue. Thank you so much for joining us today.